From Adriana S. Was it a big adjustment living in the Isle of Man in London?
Hanggang ngayon ho, napakahirap ng adjustment. Di ko lang masabi sa asawa ko. Ang lungkot eh. But it gave me compassion for OFWs. Sabi ko, ganito pala yung pinagdadaanan nila, lalo na pagpapuntang Pasko. And then, they would say, Ma'am, bisitahin mo naman kami, lalo na pag ganitong winter, ang lungkot-lungkot. Oo nga pala, no, totoo. So, through the years, I became stronger and, yun, yung compassion ko, pinupuntahan ko sila. I have this advocacy kasi doon sa matatanda doon, and they're not Filipinos, I cheer them up. Yung mga halos hindi na makalakad, misa-misa mo lang makita sa church, and yet they live alone. You know, so I would go, hi there, Olive, would you want me to have a cup of coffee with you? You know, Irish ito. So, I will spend time with her. O yung mga Filipinos din na nandun naman sa United Filipino Communities, sumasama ako sa kanila at saka pinapangaralan ko sila. Sabi ko, uy, ang taas-taas ng pagtingin sa caregivers and nurses dito ha. Huwag niyo silang bibiguin.